37-year-old Jamaican Nicholas Axeman Walters ended more than 6 years of semi-retirement with a unanimous decision win over Colombian Luis Diaz-Mormal in Santa Marta, Colombia on Saturday night. The ex-WBA World Featherweight Champion earned a unanimous decision over local favorite Marimal in the 8th round super lightweight 140-pound main event. The official scorecard read 80-72 and 78-74, twice in favor of the Montegonian, who returned in a weight class 14 pounds above his title-winning featherweight division. With the result, Walters improved his ring record to 27 wins, 1 defeat and a draw.